Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So, see, in yesterday's analysis, what we said, market has acted in the same way. We'll check the price action at the end of this video. Let's begin with the open interest analysis. So, let's follow by FII in options. They have reduced their calls and as well they reduced their put. So, in put they have unwinded 25,000 contract and in call they have unwinded 11,000 contracts. So, they have 1,94,000 of puts and 1,77,000 contract in call. So, see, equal number of call and put we can consider now. So this is a hedging position they have made. And in future index, no changes, 47% long, 53% short, and stock future percentage, no changes, 52% long, 48% short, and they sold for 867 crores in the cash market. So continuously they are booking the profit in cash market and they are hedging their positions 50-50 in futures, 50-50 in options. So actually they don't have any view, so all the derivative segments are neutral by FII now. Client are the retailers in put writing. They were holding 30,000 of contract. Now they have unwinded this in profit and made a fresh put buying of 17,000 contract now. And in call they were holding 1,15,000 of call writing. They are sitting in loss with this position. So they have averaged the positions by adding up 51,000 contract. So they have 1,65,000 of call writing now. So they are very much bearish in options. And in futures, no changes, 61% long, 39% short. And in stock future percentage, 85% long, 15% short. And they sold for 124 crores in the cash market. So see, the view of client is positive in futures, negative in options, and positive in stock futures. So actually, they don't have any directional view we can consider. Promoters in put they were holding 2,30,000 of put writing. Today they have added 25,000 contracts, so they have 2,55,000 of put writing. And in call they were holding 74,000 of call writing contracts. Now they have unwinded 62,000 contracts, so they have 12,000 contracts only in call writing. So most probably I don't think they have made a good profit in this call writing. So they have unwinded and now they are very much positive in options. And in future index, they have increased 3% long, decreased 3% short. They have 33% long and 67% short. And in stock future percentage, 67% long, they have and 33% short, and they have purchased 180 crores in the cash market. So the view of promoter is there are negative in futures, positive in options, positive in stock futures, positive in cash market. So the view of promoters, they are positive only. DII have purchased for 621 crores in the cash market, so the net value in cash market was 189 crores, negative figures. PCR Nifty today was 1.03 and Bank Nifty was 1.39, and Nifty month end Nifty is at 1.56 and Bank Nifty is at 1.28. So now the PCR is became positive. Now let's check the price action. Dow Jones in 1 day time frame. See, global market, the US market has opened positive only on the news of Chinese has published the news where COVID restrictions of inbound travelers are zero. They are not quarantining the travelers, so that was a positive news. And again, we have seen a good sell-off after they have opened positive. So Dow is trading with 60 points negative now. So we have a support of 33,000 we can consider here. If this broke again, we have a 400 points of range, it can fall. So whereas Nasdaq in 1 day time frame has opened positive only, and now there is a very good profit booking going on of 110 points negative. So see, I believe it has to take a support of 10,300. Again it has to reverse from here, and if not, again it will be a very good fall here. This is only a major support, or else it will stop here at 10,100 we can consider. SGX is also trading negative by 42 points. So let's check the Nifty. See, Nifty, as we discussed in yesterday's analysis, we have a very good resistance. So the resistance it could not break today of 18,100. if we are breaking the resistance and we have a very good range of 300 points of range to move higher. And Bank Nifty, see, Bank Nifty is more positive than Nifty. It has proved 230 points higher it closed. So what for tomorrow? See what we can do. India VIX also cool down, so we can take a trade on buy on dip and sell on rise. Or else we can still wait for the Thursday's expiry because tomorrow is Wednesday, so the volume will be less. I don't think tomorrow there will be a trending day. It has to be in a small consolidation range only. So we'll check for Thursday's trade. So anyhow, the open interest is trading. The market is positive only, where the promoter has a positions of put writing very good number, whereas FII have a neutral positions of call and put, and they also have a 50-50 of futures. So open interest is slight positive only. So we have to check for tomorrow's trade day how it's going to close. So we can take and think of the last day of expiry of the month. That will be 29th. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.